Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to purchase DBS on Interactive Brokers in just a few quick steps. You'll need a funded Interactive Brokers account. Once you're logged in, open up the IBKR mobile app. You'll see your account dashboard with your portfolio and available balance displayed. Now, look for the search bar. It's typically at the top of the screen. Tap on it and type in D05. That's the ticker for DBS Group Holdings on the Singapore Exchange. As you type, search results will start appearing below. When DBS Group Holdings appears in the results, you'll see it listed as D05 with SGX next to it. Tap on that listing. This takes you to the stock detail screen where you'll see the current price in the top left, along with charts and other details. Check your available balance displayed near the top. This shows how much money you have ready to spend. You'll also see a position count, which tells you how many shares you already own. If this is your first time buying, it'll show 0. Next, tap the blue Buy button. This opens up the order screen where you'll enter your purchase details. In the quantity field, enter the number of shares you want to buy. The platform will automatically calculate the total cost for you. Make sure the total is less than or equal to your available balance. If the stock costs $40 and you have $1,200 available, you could buy up to 30 shares. Now you'll need to select your order type. Tap on the order type drop-down. For this tutorial, select Market This, buys the shares immediately at the current market price. Before submitting, double-check all your details. The quantity looks right, the ticker shows D05, and the order type is set to market. When everything looks good, tap Submit Buy Order. Interactive Brokers might show you a warning about market data subscriptions or trading hours. Just tap Accept or Yes to proceed. If the Singapore market is closed, the order will queue automatically and execute when the market opens. Once submitted, your order will fill almost immediately since you're using a market order. Head over to the Portfolio tab in the main menu to see your new DBS shares. They'll appear in your holdings list with the current market value and your daily profit or loss. A couple of quick tips. The Singapore Exchange trades in Singapore dollars, so your purchase will be in SGD even if your account-based currency is different. Also, all your settings and watch lists sync across IBKR, desktop, and the client portal, so you can manage your position from any device. That's it. If this was helpful, a like and subscribe would be appreciated. See you next time.